in this video I'm going to tell you how to change heading into paragraph in blog post on WordPress website. As you can see onto my screen, here I am into the post section in WordPress admin dashboard, right? And here I'm going to edit a blog post written by me in past. Okay, many times what happens is this: when you are writing a paragraph and you mistakenly click on backspace, and just above that paragraph there is a heading, then automatically your paragraph gets converted into heading, right? And now you might be confused how to make it correct, right? And how to change the heading into paragraph again, right? So in that case what you need to do is you just need to move your cursor on that particular heading and click somewhere in between the heading, and in that case a pop-up will arise, and you just need to click on this flag symbol indicating the heading, right? You just need to click on this and you need to click on paragraph. So again, your heading has been converted into paragraph, right? And now we are going to separate the heading with paragraph, right? And now the heading that has been converted into paragraph, we are going to convert it back into the heading. So again, I am just moving my cursor in between that particular line which is in paragraph format, and I want to change it back to the heading, right? And I'm going to click on P symbol and then click on heading flag icon, and again I can change it to H2 or H3. So now my paragraph has been separated from heading and my paragraph is again back to the paragraph format. So this is how you can change your heading into a paragraph in a blog post on WordPress website. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.